Hello there. So, I've been working on a map editor for my project in Unreal Engine 4, and I've made some progress and I want to show it off. So, first thing you can do is obviously you can put down a player spawn point, and when you hit this button you'll spawn there. And this allows you to test out your map as you're making edits to it, which is always nice to do. Apologies for the frames. It's not usually this bad. It's mainly because I'm recording, so keep that in mind. But yeah. So now we can go back to our edit mode, and I don't know where player pawn went off to, but I can destroy it and keep going. Alright, so in terms of placing down objects at the moment, all I have is two, but I've got them set up in a way that I can start adding in more pretty easily. So I can set the color and delete them from here, though I don't want to do that. It can be a nice red one, and then this one can be black. There you go. And so I can then spawn from here and have a look. It's very nice. But you might be saying, oh, I don't like how bumpy this terrain is. I want it to be nice and flat for when I put down my buildings. And that is now achievable. And this is the main thing that I've gotten working, the main reason that I'm making this video, because here we go. I can hit 3 and just flatten away all of this land. Also removes trees in the way, and I can go back to the edit mode, and then I can place down my happy little houses. Yes. And as you can see, it works very nicely, but that isn't just the extent to it of this flattening. You can also, obviously, you can see in the top left there, you can add in and make any kind of structure you want, phallic imagery as well, if you really want to go that route. But hey, this is just I can't stress enough. This is just hypnotizing to use. I really like doing it, and if the frames weren't dropping, it would be a lot better. But yeah, you can also remove and dig into the terrain, create tunnels if you want through the mountains, and yeah, that is the progress I've made so far. I hope this looks interesting to you, and I'm getting pretty close to being ready to release an alpha build of this, so keep an eye out for that if you're interested. But yeah, that's the progress I've done so far. So I need to stop the recording.